Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to another video. Today I want to break down my track video with all of you. Let's get to that. All right guys, and today I'm finally going to break down and show you all my track video. So I recorded it with two different camera angles. I used my Insta360 Pro and on the dash, and also a very old GoPro Hero 3 on my fender, and I got some pretty cool angles. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record my best time out on the track, which was a 2:09 at Button Willow, running clockwise on a configuration 13, right? CW13. And you know, the 209 was fun to get. I pushed my car aggressively, and unfortunately, I didn't record it, but I have proof. Here's my hot lap screenshot. Hot lap is still, it's debatable, right? It's not perfect. It's not what they used to track timing accurately, but it gives you a good reference point. Now, the only time I did record on camera as well as hot lap was my, I think it was my third to last, or my third run, which was a 211. This one, I had my wife with me in the car. She did a ride along and we did it and I hit a 211. So I'm still in between a 209 and 211, that kind of range, and I'm getting more confident. Now, in reference, my first time at Button Willow ever at the beginner session, I hit a 237. And then at the end of the day, I hit a 221, came back to the track this second time around, and I hit a 217, and then I went to a 209, and then a 211. So I'm learning a lot. It takes a lot of confidence from me personally to upload this video because I'm really hard on myself. And I know there's people obtaining some crazy lap times like 150s, 140s on this, you know, G82. So there's a lot that I still have to learn, a lot that I still have to grow into with my M4. But without further ado, here is a track video, and I'm just gonna be sharing some of my thoughts over the video. One thing as I'm looking at it live right now as we speak, after reviewing this video, I was like, man, I'm kind of embarrassed because one, I'm not there yet, right? My M4, I have more work to do. But besides everything else, my lines, you know, my apex lines are pretty solid. You know, I'm hitting my apexes, staying properly on the lines. The only thing that I do need to work on though is my confidence in giving it throttle when I need to, right? So according to professional coaches that are out there, they've been giving me feedback based on my videos and just going with me and seeing what I'm doing out on the track. And so far, they've been saying that my lines are solid. But my only problem is that I let off the throttle at certain points when I shouldn't be. I'm personally afraid of my own car because obviously this is my daily. It's not like a full track car. So, you know, I still want to drive it daily around, you know, just around town. So I don't want to wreck the car. So I'm very cautious. That's in the back of my head. But people are telling me like, no, you're fine. You'll be fine. You know, just hit it full throttle. So a few things that I do need to work on is obviously just be more confident with the car, grow my confidence, learn when to give it throttle and when not to give it throttle. Car control is one thing that I'm still learning with this car. I am running on a Yokohama's Apex, and those wheels are about 230 plus wear, something like that, low 230s, and they handle really well out on the track. My biggest, you know, just struggles is right here as we're seeing the, I think it's Riverside. My car tends to kind of like lose control, and that may be just the way I'm approaching that angle or the way that my throttle response is not there properly. I have seen significant improvements through various areas in the track, like this one going through Sunrise or Sunset. But prior to that, on the S's, I got more confidence, and this is a straightaway. So there's a lot of variables that come into place, right? And I think for me personally is what I'm learning is being more confident is one thing, and two is learning the power of your car. No one else will know what you're feeling because you're driving the car yourself. And what I'm learning is that this car has a ton of power, and that power can either throw you off into the ditch or give you the best lap time ever. You just gotta learn how to control it. So anyways, watch the video. Let me know your comments below. Be nice. Yeah, I'm hitting a 211. There's others hitting low 50s, 150s on this car, but hey, I'll get there. This is accountability, and I can't wait for my next track day because I'm sure I'm gonna hit very low under, you know, maybe a 205 maybe, or maybe a sub 2. I don't know. That's my goal, to get a sub 2 in this M4 at ButtonWillow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you comment below, give me your thoughts. There's a lot of improvements that I need to do. I already specified those, but there's more track videos. I mean, do you even like watching these kind of track videos? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts if you want to see more of those. I am planning on heading out to the track more this year, so hopefully you could join me there or just watch them online. A huge shout out to Kies Motorsports, my partner. Thank you for Bob Sound as well for joining me on this collaboration with building my G82 with awesome audio components. Once again, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you soon.